Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to reverse a video on Snapchat really easily. So the first thing you have to do is you have to tap on your camera, obviously, and then record a 10-second video. So we will do just that right now. Then we will mute the audio here. And then what we will do is we will go below on the filters. So just swipe up and then swipe to the right until you see a reverse filter. So reverse filter is after the slow filter is reverse filter, right? So on the screen right now, you'll be able to see how reversing filter looks like so that you can kind of see that filter in the, on Snapchat. It's basically like this type of icon, just reversed, right? So in another way. So that's basically it, right? So for me, I don't have reverse filter, but on iPhones usually have reverse filter, and if you update the app, you might have reverse filter as well. But I don't think this is just available on iPhone, so you can do this also on Android as well. And yeah, that's pretty much how to how to get the reverse filter. Then you can probably share it with your friends and on your story as well, which is pretty awesome. So that's basically how to reverse a video on Snapchat. Really easy in 2022. If you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and I'll help you out. Thank you guys for watching.